everyone's day going? I hope it's going great. My day is going pretty chill. This is like the 3rd video I've done today, so I hope you guys are enjoying it. What do we have in store today for you guys? We, meaning Cleopatra, Brandon Cleopatra, moi, Cle for short, Cleo for short. I guess it's Cleo for short and Cle for shorter. But so, let's just get into the video. As you guys can tell, it's a Boxy Charm video! Yay! Boxy, boxy, boxy. It's a boxy, boxy charm. Boxy, boxy, boxy. It's a boxy, boxy charm. So, yeah, I'm always pretty excited about Boxy Charm. Like, they always give me some, like, plug, goals type utility. This is, like, a utility box. And who's the plug? Boxy Charm. But, okay, let's just get into the video because I already know you guys want to see what's in the box. Just like Clee. Like, I kid you not, every month I get this box and I'm like, I can't wait to see what's in it. I can't wait to do the video so I can see what's in it. It's so cute. So let's get it. Let's open it together for the first time. Wow. Ooh, okay. Oh my gosh. Cover FX. I'm excited by this box. Yay! Yes, this is what it looks like. Inside, oh, we got a brush. I'm excited. Bruh. I'm excited. Heck excited. Okay, so what is this? It says a Boxy Bash, BoxyCharm.com. Scan the giveaways and promotions. Oh, so you can win stuff. Yay! Okay, Boxy Charm lip gloss, matte lip gloss. I'm excited. Again, another one of the nude colors, and it's Sweetheart. That's the color name. So let's just go ahead and open this. And first of all, this packaging is a cute AF. Like, Boxy Charm really making their money. Like, yay! Okay. Beauty creating. Let's get you guys with a swatch. Oops. Ooh, and it, first of all, it went on so soft. Like, it feels like it's so, like moisturizing. It's super cute, like, aw. And this is regularly $10. It's, like, really confusing. Like, how they set this page up, like, it's, like, a lot going on. But okay. So the next thing, oh yay, gotta see me booty. So I'm super excited about this because it comes with 3 little brushes, like it's like a eyelash and eyebrow brush, and then a little like eyeliner brush, and then it's a little angled brush. I'm not 100% sure what you could use that for, but you could use it for eyeliner too. And it's a Authentica 3 brush set. And it is regularly $45, and that's pretty cool because I would never pay $45 for these ever in my life. It would ever happen. But so I'm pretty excited about these, and now I have 2 of these little guys, and I like to use those to like brush my eyebrows and my eyelashes with like Jamaican black castor oil so they can be promoted with more growth. But yeah, so I'm super excited about that. And so the next thing is another brush. It's a really big brush. I'm probably going to have to open it to see what it really do. And this is a face brush, P12 is what it's called. And it is regularly $27. Face brush. So I guess it's just kind of like a big brush. Oh yeah. So, oh, first of all, this has a horrible chemical smell to it. Just so everybody knows. That was ridiculous. Like, this brush you would have to wash before you use it. For real. Like, wow. But it's just a big brush. Like, it's what it is. Wow. Excuse me. Wow, I wonder what those brushes smell like. And they're from the same brand, FENTY. So, I wonder what those other brushes smell like. But okay, so next we have a pretty velour. I know what this is. This is dipped, it's the Ink 01 Blacklisted Gel Eyeliner. Ooh, wait. First of all, plug goals. So it's like a hard gel eyeliner in there, if you can see that. And this is like a humongous thing of eyeliner. Like, I'm excited about this. I always use a stiletto pen eyeliner, but I'll start to try to use this for sure because this seems really cool and trill. And this is regularly $24, and it is by Pretty Velour, and it's the ink gel eyeliner, like I said. But I'm pretty excited about this because I pay like, I usually get like the Kat Von D like stiletto eyeliner, and that's probably like $25 too or something like that. But so I'm pretty excited about this. Like, this is legit a whole other eyeliner. Like, I'm gonna start learning how to use this correctly. But so the next thing is a Cover FX base, a blurring primer. Okay, that's what it's. Blurring primer minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines, creates a super soft and flawless airbrushed look. Oh, that's cool. And this is regularly $38, so I'm excited about this. This is probably gonna be hecka good too. Like, I'm not gonna try to like waste it. Oh, it's super controlled. So I'm excited about that. And lastly, we have here a nice little palette, and it's by Purr. Ooh. And it is called Sculptor. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open that up like so. Oh yeah, it's the contour palette. Super cute contour palette. I'm super excited. Like, this smells good. It smells like chocolate. That's funny. But yeah, I'm super excited about this. First of all, my skin is looking great underneath this makeup. Okay, but yes. Again, BoxyCharm plug goals. Never disappointed with them. Cannot lie. Thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye, guys.